Trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like a Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies in the green, we're never lazy. Candlestick confetti, charts are set and ready. Volumes heavy, steady. Profit goals so heady. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Hades makes the right coin. Signal never disappoints. Stacking gains like a joint. Trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like a Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies in the green, we're never lazy. Gonna trade with Lord hates. Future contracts daily. Crypto coins so crazy. CFDs amaze me. Spin the charts, yeah baby. Riding trends, no maybe. Buy and sell so wavy. Profits feeling hazy. Trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like a Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies in the green, we're never lazy. Candlestick confetti, charts are set and ready. Volumes heavy, steady. Profit goals so heady. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Hades makes the right coin. Signal never disappoints. Stacking gains like a joint. Trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like a Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies in the green, we're never lazy. Gonna trade with Lord hates. Future contracts daily. Crypto coins so crazy. CFDs amaze me. Spin the charts, yeah baby. Riding trends, no maybe. Buy and sell so wavy. Profits feeling hazy. Trade with the Lord hates. Money moves like a Mercedes. Crypto kings and CFD ladies in the green, we're never lazy.
What's up, can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? One second. I'm just trying to put songs, and I was just trying to find my playlist. And we have Mr.
A $10 and $1,000 suit. Strolls
hear me? PJ Barnlord. Barnold. Okay, that's a nice name. So we have news today, huh? So we have news. Louder, native voice. Okay. Now? How about now? Am I screaming or is all good now? It's too low, I have to. Okay, wait a second. Because I see there is noise. Yeah, I see there is. The mic takes some noise. I don't know if I can actually. Yeah, you might hear like white noise from there. So if it's now good, Barnold says still louder. So it's still not loud enough. Let me check. I hear, yeah. It's okay. And there is no music, yes? Perfect. So we have 8:30. Your favorite news, guys. Okay. I'm just gonna check. Pretty quick. Yeah, I can hear the music. Perfect. So now I can reduce the volume from the stream. And we can start. How we all doing, guys? I'm gonna show you yes because I was like streaming yesterday, not in YouTube, somewhere else, and this is something interesting. And I want to show you guys something. I'm just trying to make some samples. Something went wrong, but oh boy, yeah, I'm too slow for social media. Doing well, ICJ. So, look at this, guys. So we have a monthly fair value gap here. Not fair value gap, order block, okay? So we are still in a bullish trend, yes? So if we put we can see that it's going up, yes? Weekly the same, nothing changed, yes? This is still trending, isn't it? So now look on the daily. We take the midpoint of this order block here. So finally, we didn't lose anything. I'm just trying. I was trying to call something in the social media, but I'm too slow. I will not do it now. But anyway, so we have monthly order block, yes, that we we are bouncing from, it seems. And this is the midpoint of it. Like, can you see that this is a random midpoint? Yes. Now we go on the daily. We can see from where the daily stands bounces. Like, is this the random consequent encouragement of this monthly? So it's bullish to me. Especially, you know, when you start looking these beauties here. And if you think, okay, we are bouncing from where? We have this inversion here, and then basically that's an balanced price range here. Okay, so on ES I'm still looking to come higher. I don't know today what news will be. Good or bad ones. And you know, the big boss is this one here. We need just to go through it. But this is how ES looks like. When we look Nasdaq though, on the monthly, Nasdaq is a bit different. Okay, so you took the monthly high, you took the low, so basically you are ranging here. So you broke the range from up to bottom. All the time I've seen this thing happening, it goes higher, but it's ranging for the most part. And well, for the past months, we can say that we are ranging. I mean, this is a huge range. When you see these candles here, we can cut it. Okay, and we will see. This monthly candle is a range itself. Okay, let's go to the daily. See, this is a range. That's the whole candle there. And the funny part about Nasdaq, I mean, it's similar to NQ, but 2 years, with the only difference that we actually hit the low. So we sweep, we close barely positive. But like, compare this with this. If you're gonna long, which one are you gonna long? You think we are with full court? It's 8:30, yes? 5 minutes from now. Yeah, 5 minutes. CFDs is all great to me. I mean, both have this. See, I'm more confident longing ES actually. I was thinking this today after the news to take a long in ES. And my baby here. This is more bullish than both of them, I think. Same idea. I mean, all of them have this dumb candle here. I don't know when they will come for this, but someday they will come, I'm sure. This here and staying like this. So I changed it yesterday, didn't I? Yes, sir. It's actually but anyway, I don't have it with the computer today. So we have equal highs and equal lows. If we fail to break up, this will be quite violent down. So if we sweep this high, that's It's a 10%. I have new songs today in the playlist, we'll see. So from daily bias, let's say. So within this range, let me use this beautiful thing here. PD. Okay. From we are still in premium. If we use like this low, and if we use this low here, we dip into discount. Okay, that's I'm looking for this. I look for a fake move below, take the previous day low, and then reverse in the bullish case. I see some main chat. So practically you have previous days lows here, previous days high, previous days high. And why I look? Because we actually close above this candle. Let's go to the 1 hour. Because we close above this and we create it as an order block. Okay? I think Topsy starts to understand what this means. And we see that it's getting primed for a move up. We have a lot of liquidity. This is like Mondays, Tuesdays high. Well, this is Tuesday, but we have relative equal highs here. And we didn't violate this low, which was the Friday low. We have 1 minute, let's see. So this is our hourly here. So we want to take a trade until here. We have this order block, we sweep this low. So this is a valid order block, yeah? And lock it there, go to the 5 minutes. So we took liquidity here on the bottom side. I always change this anyway. So CPI news came. Yeah, don't chase this. But I'm looking to go higher, honestly. Yeah, that's why you don't trade news, man. Well, I don't trade them myself. I mean, you can gamble them, but I'm not gonna put a funded account on it to see if I'm correct. EJ, by the way, now I understood why you said you made a new channel. And I was like, okay, why EJ is not the moderator? Whatever happens, I don't want it to go below this. Let's see the news. 2.3. So it was higher than expected, yeah? So this is good for the dollar, bearish for everything, which means with the New York Open we'll have a huge rally up. You remember, good news, stocks dump, bad news, stocks rally. Go figure. Previous 2.9, 2.5 now, year to date. So it means that the inflation is better somehow. Are you putting a stop loss? I'm joking. But anyway, even with stop loss, you're gonna get wrecked anyway. Is it take the highs to take the lows first? I mean, there is news that I trade, but this is not ones I do. I think I've tried once with GBP and it was a very bad experience, I can tell you. I mean, even silver, man, silver has been rallying. Yeah, I tried once. I did chart something, yeah, in the morning. Wait a second. I mean, if EuroCAD crashed, wait a second, I had a EuroCAD trade that it stopped me out yesterday. He came lower. I was stopped out yesterday on this. Euro USD. I've been forming both directions on Euro USD, so I can see the short, I can see the long, so I don't trade them these days. But I was looking silver in the morning because I wanted to take some trades, and this is where I wanted to long. Funny enough, I came and touched it during news. I almost touched it. Almost. Previous day high didn't take it yet out. Yeah, so I showed you like what I have long term here on ES. Like, I think overall I can see us going higher. Like, my eyes, I cannot lift my eyes from there. And we are still, like respecting this stuff. This is our dealing range here. See, we just tap into discount and we had a bounce. Most of the stuff is wait and see, to be honest. Like, we have been trading within this order block since yesterday. I took 2 shorts last night and I got stopped out here. What is this line I put here? It's the monthly. Is that a monthly order block? I mean, I don't see anything clear. and that's not like uncommon, because like we were arranging for 2 days until this news. We got the news and we have to wait the open. Soon. Because even now, if you enter a trade, okay, like if you see that it's holding here, okay, yeah, so I can see along until here, does it? Like risking like 60 points to make what? 48, it didn't even make sense. And because it's ranging, I mean, if we go to a higher time frame, I mean, we'll actually put the. See, this is what we were doing since Monday. Take the low, take the high, take the low, take the high, take the low, take the high. So it's basically ranging, yes. So I can see taking the sell. We didn't even take the last night's high, which is interesting with this news. Even this candle is not that much. Does Powell speaks today? Let me see. I didn't pay attention. Crude oil at 530. Let's put yellow also. And tomorrow PPI and unemployment claims. And Friday, nothing. But how I see it, like the one was negative basically. It was better than expected, which is basically better for the currency, not the assets. From what I remember, that usually end up like trading positive. And you see, in 20 minutes, if it's closed like this, it just means that we just took the lows here and we're gonna probably go for the highs. Which, honestly, yes, now I have. Honestly, this is what I'm expecting in general, because we are in very discount areas here, and we have a lot of highs we can take. But this is for the bullish case. For the bearish case, we want like a sweep on the highs and then just instant meltdown. Like this previous PM session, like this. This is like yesterday's New York Open. We want to see something like this. I mean, past New York Opens have been just dumpsters. And this is basically the biggest news we have. So what was this? Daily, I think, yeah? Yes, this was a daily order block. We're rejecting on the bottom. Yesterday, the PM session was a crap. I had a beautiful short yesterday. posted in Discord yesterday was the AM, not the lunch time. I'll show you how I took that short. Yeah, I think that's what I need. So we were in this here, and then was there was this daily British fair value gap here. Okay, so let's have it here, and then during so this was London low. Okay, this was London low here, and then you see this is the daily fair value gap, and this is the 1 hour order block. Yes, do you see how it's respected here? Let me remove this so we don't get confused. So yesterday this is the trade I paused. So basically what I did, I was monitoring, you know, we had this high here, we came 50%, we close here, but then we break down, then we break the low here. So I was like, okay, let's look what this does. We sweep when we came, but when we didn't close here, I was waiting for the fair value gap to show me displacement, and then I took the trade from here, and I was targeting the London low here, but it never gave the full. See, it teased it, and I was like, yes, give it to me. I hope it doesn't break. Yes. You see, it teased it 2 times, and then when I see making kind of SMT with an ES here, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna back the profit, and I'm fine with it. And that was a great decision because we start to close above this. And what do you know? And in the PM session, we're trying to get the shorts here. That was the bearish side of the top side of the so this is the so this is the top side of this bearish fair value gap. Okay, and we were not closing above. It was macro time frame. It was like 250 to 3. We try again. It gave a setup. And this is 310. I hope it doesn't break. It doesn't break, yeah. So basically we had this taking all the liquidity from the left. So this is the high probability order block. You see it distributes here, it breaks down. This was one trade I attempted, but then it was like just holding above. And then we get stopped out, and I think after I left it just dumped. Yeah, but this is like the short I tried in the PM session. You see, it came way higher and then just that. But it's very, I don't know, most of the time it's ranging, so it's very hard to work with it. So we have 930. This is 850 macro. That's usually engineers liquidity, but we already taken liquidity with the news. Let's see. So this is the news. So we are trading above the 50%. I removed that. Okay. So I think the smart thing to do is just wait for the open. Damn man. Pesos. Yeah, I mean it rejects the 5-minute FVG. This is the news FVG. I don't think it will. See how I took liquidity and then took the low? This is what I want to see on YM. To take a long faults. I want to reclaim the range basically. And this is a complete objective, let's say, taking the highs. And now we have the 850. It's a 15 BC here. Do the same for this one. So we opened with a macro and then we came into this CB and we respected. Just thinking of a short, to be honest. One minute, guys. So basically the idea here was to take a short, and this stop loss is huge. It's not even a 2 hour. Maybe like this. I don't know, it's tricky, there's huge stop loss. And then you still have this, you have this gap here. That's fine. Let's find something for the stream. I have to make more music for the stream. I really want to see what this opium gonna bring today. Pretty curious. Because you want to take a short to come here, because practically we take the highs, we broke all these. What the hell? But then, you know, your stop loss should be huge, and you have this inefficiency here that you're gonna probably trade in. You have this liquidity standing here. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing clear. And for YM, basically have like bullish bias. See, we just barely touched discount. This low is still valid there. Let's see. So ideally I want to see the open trading above, like we're making a lot of sell side here. Yeah, we're gonna be patient now. Like zombie. Sometimes I want to trade something else. Might be the high of the day today for the gold. Yeah, it's also not copyright. it also. So we hold the midnight line, that's quite nice. I mean, overall thesis, I'm looking for higher. After this daily, I'm just looking to take the highs. But I want to hold a bit my horses for the longs for the open. Another thing here. Now this is nice to see. CES sweep this, and Q didn't. So what means is that we can look for opportunities to take longs on Nasdaq. Is the strongest. I know I said I want the short on that setup there, but you know it's that's not my bias for the day. Let's see how we're gonna take them down. YM is slow. We hit liquidity there. Yeah, so basically for me today I'm looking for longs. I look for longs. I'm more longs for YM than anything else. But NQ has quite nice chance to reach this 19,152. That's where I'm looking for today. I mean, it doesn't have to go today, but it has good chance after the news. And then we will see basically the boss here. So if we are in a if we switch into bull mode, basically this we have to close above it. If we haven't, when we come here, because that will be basically the premium part of the range. Yes? That's why we disrespect this daily here, because it's quite in discount. Yeah. So once we come in premium, we'll see how we do with this here. How we react with it. If I would have taken any short, again we have in from there. And what I think for the New York session, I mean, I can't be blind. Of course we took liquidity, but do you see what we do here? We built a lot of liquidity here. I mean, YM is pretty clear. Yeah, you think this is beautiful? Beautiful. So basically, I wanted to come up, break with a nice candle, and then come and load again. So I want this to be the Judas of the AM session. I would like to log some longs on my personal account. Birdie flight from here, but yeah. So sorry for the delay, Sky, today, but I was rendering some graphics. So I'm trying to improve a bit the quality of the streams and the channel in general. So it took a bit more time on rendering, but I think that will be the stream for now. Let's see, maybe I'll do also one tomorrow if we have better price action. Okay, guys? And I want to try something new. Thank you, man. I want to change this to something. You will see why I was late. Okay, to stay here. You will now understand why I was late. You see now, yeah? Wait a second. I have to put it on loop, so. Yeah. That is why I was late. I was rendering those. Yeah, man. Thank you. I will try to have a bit cleaner stuff also in general for the stream later. Like maybe tomorrow you will see maybe more surprises. So with that, have a good trading, guys. Use stop loss. And don't tilt, okay? Let the trades come to you. See you guys.